Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Dr. Abubakar, Kalinaki Abubakar specialist, one ophthalmologist. We are here in Adjumani doing free cataract surgeries for poor communities. Yesterday we had a case of a young lady, 17 years old, who is blind. We find such cases in communities where someone is young and they get blind, and mostly it's caused by type 1 diabetes. Diabetes is one of the causes of cataracts and affects those who are young mostly. So when they get blind, they stop going to school. We have worked on a lady, Asio, who left school because of blindness that was caused by cataract, caused by diabetes. So we worked on her yesterday. She had a very dark life before the surgery. She couldn't see, she couldn't walk, she couldn't do anything at all. She even left school because of that. Today when we removed the dressing from her eyes, she could see the world again, appreciate the colors of the environment, look at people's faces, look at the dad and everyone around. We saw her smiling. It's okay? Bismillah. Open your eyes. You can see? How many fingers? 3. Aren't you happy? Then this one here. Mbe is white. White. Oh, good. White. What about this one here? What is that? Black. Good. So this is the happiness. Such kind of cases are very common when you come out in these poor communities to help them see again. Most of the parents are not aware that cataracts can also affect those who are young. It's a call for most of the mothers and parents to always make sure if a child is getting blurry vision, to have an eye check from eye doctor so they can determine what is causing the blindness. With this support that we get from donors, we can touch many lives and help them get back to work. One of the most striking impact on these patients who are blind is before the operation, they have no independence. They depend on others to move, to do activities, to eat. Everything is on others. When you do surgery on them, they gain their independence. They can walk, they can forge their way, they can resume work, they can go back to school, they can try to live as normal human beings. So with this support, we think many can be touched, and inshallah, the DIOPTA EYE CARE CENTER will continue offering these services with partners like the Kalinaki Society to make sure that we can impact those who are cataract blind, to help them see again and have independence and have productive lives. Masio that worked on yesterday, she can now resume school, she can do some vocation training, she can do some tasks that can help her survive, inshallah. We thank the donors and thank Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for this opportunity that has helped us touch lives, and we pledge, inshallah, to continue in this kind of fight against treatable blindness. Thank you very much.
Ninda pelere, ningwe poinga, nitalawa. Good. She says she's very happy. She can go back in school. The last time she just started people, the sickness is getting in people. But now she's seen. She can go back in school.
Nur Media 256, lighting your life and hereafter.